Imagine waking up one morning only to realize you've been living your entire life in a dream, oblivious to the extraordinary power that lies within you. What if I told you, you're not just a human being, but a divine spark, a manifestation of the infinite universe itself? When I was younger, I felt trapped in a small town, limited by my circumstances. I believed I was destined for mediocrity, that my dreams were too big for someone like me. But then, I discovered the power of self-belief and the limitless potential within each of us. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. From a young age, we're conditioned to believe we're limited beings, subject to the whims of fate and the constraints of society. We're taught to play it safe, to follow the rules, and to settle for less than we deserve. But these self-limiting beliefs are just illusions created by our own minds. False self versus true self. Our true nature is boundless, infinite, and divine. But societal conditioning can lead us to adopt a false self, a limited identity that masks our true potential. This false self is often based on fear, doubt, and a lack of self-worth. Historical examples. Throughout history, countless individuals have broken free from the limitations imposed by society and achieved extraordinary things. Think of Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Einstein, Oprah Winfrey, and Elon Musk. These individuals dared to dream big, to defy expectations, and to tap into the limitless potential within themselves. The law of attraction states that whatever we focus on, we bring into our lives. This means our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions have a powerful influence on our reality. By cultivating positive thoughts and emotions, we can attract positive experiences and manifest our desires. The role of emotions. Our emotions are powerful energy fields. They can either attract or repel what we desire. When we're feeling positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude, we vibrate at a higher frequency, which attracts more positive experiences. Conversely, negative emotions like fear, anger, and resentment can block our manifestation abilities. Energetic alignment. To manifest our desires, we must align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our intentions. This means living in harmony with our true selves and radiating positive energy into the world. Awakening to our power is a journey of self-discovery and self-acceptance. It involves recognizing our true nature as divine beings and embracing our limitless potential. Self-awareness. The first step in this journey is self-awareness. We must become conscious of our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions and how they are shaping our reality. This can be achieved through practices like meditation, journaling, and mindfulness. Shadow work. Another important aspect of awakening to our power is shadow work. Our shadow is the unconscious part of ourselves that contains our fears, insecurities, and unresolved traumas. By acknowledging and integrating our shadow, we can release limiting beliefs and unlock our true potential. Inner child healing. Many of our limiting beliefs stem from unresolved childhood traumas. By healing our inner child, we can release these limiting beliefs and step into our true power. Now that we understand the principles of awakening to our power, let's explore some practical steps we can take to activate our inner God. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for raising our vibration and attracting positive experiences. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. 2. Set clear intentions. Decide what you want to achieve in life and set clear intentions. Write down your goals and visualize them daily. 3. Take massive action. The universe responds to action. Once you know what you want, take bold steps toward achieving it. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. 4. Surround yourself with positive energy. The people we spend time with have a significant impact on our energy and mindset. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who believe in your potential. 5. Meditate and visualize. Meditation and visualization are powerful tools for connecting with our higher selves and manifesting our desires. Spend time each day practicing these techniques. 6. Journaling. Journaling is a great way to explore our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. By writing down our emotions, we can gain greater self-awareness and identify any limiting beliefs that may be holding us back. 7. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help reprogram our subconscious mind. Repeat positive affirmations daily to reinforce your belief in your own power and potential. The journey of awakening to our inner God is not always easy. It may involve challenges, setbacks, and self-doubt. But it's worth it. By embracing this journey, we can discover our true purpose, live a more fulfilling life, and make a positive impact on the world. This journey can be seen as a hero's journey, where we must face our fears, overcome obstacles, and ultimately emerge victorious. Remember, setbacks are not failures, they're opportunities for growth and learning. Stay persistent, resilient, and never give up on your dreams. As we awaken to our inner power, we can begin to make a positive difference in the world. We can use our gifts and talents to help others, inspire change, and create a better future for all. I invite you to join me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Together, we can awaken to our inner gods and create a world filled with love, peace, and abundance. Subscribe to this channel for more inspiring content. Share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment below to let me know what you learned from this video. Remember, you are a divine spark, a manifestation of the infinite universe. You are powerful beyond measure. Wake up. You're a god in disguise.